Kaya nato nagsaka, walo. O, tiladi mo, tatusi ka dito. Magpa-picture. Sa awarding na, pero after karoon. Tapos rin, na tawan rin tanan, nasarama. O, liwanan na bagit. Wow! Sa sunod tuig, liwanan ta. Kagtawan ta ang award ang nag-intra bagit liwan. No? Tabalan ka na ng loyal ikaw sa imong trino. Major award sa Lakayan Festival 2025 Tribes Competition. Second runner-up goes to kung i-announce ko dyan, mamanan niyo rin sino champion. Hindi pa? Ay, may dalawa pa mo, no? May champion at first runner-up. Okay, final na dyan. Ladies and gentlemen, second runner-up goes to sa Lakayan Festival 2025 Tribes Competition. Second runner-up goes to Tribo Kirayanon.
Congratulations! Second runner-up, Tribo Kirayanon.
Kirayanon.
Kirayan National High School.
12 members. Kamusta ba? 12 members.
Tribo Kirayanon of Kirayan National High School
Tatlong
will
araw.
receive
4 times 3, 12.
trophy and a check amount
12 members.
20,000 pesos.
Pero hindi ka man yung magalin, kay announce pag itata ng champion. Hindi pag hindi mo magalin, kay pag-announce ng champion, may fireworks kita. Mag-countdown kita. Anong mabaton kang first runner-up?
Our first runner-up will receive a trophy and a check amounting to
40,000 pesos cash!
check
Last 10.
Magbaylo rin ang check, cash rin ba?
Ang 10 na taon na rin to?
So 40,000 pesos, check plus 10,000, 50,000 pesos.
Plus trophy.
At bala na lang karon kang ride manager. Just may perman sa na to.
Yes.
Anong hit na ta? Oh. Itong 500 na natura, ako perman na to. Ayos? Ladies and gentlemen, masadya? Mapa-food fest na ka mo? Pagkatapos ka dyan, sa Lakayan Festival 2025 Tribes Competition, first runner-up! Ano nagdaan last year?
Baklayanon.
Baklayano. Okay. Ano madaan talad? Ha? Kumalawang po dyan, pamanaan nyo kung sino champion. Pero kung mamanaan nyo, hindi ka man makulit. Masaot ang tanan. Dahil mo on ang competition. Kung hindi masaot, ha?
Well, ano 500?
Oh, sige. Final! Sadya. Sa Lakayan Festival 2025 Tribal Dance Drama Competition. First runner-up goes to Tribo Kabukwason.
Congratulations! First runner-up, Tribo Kabukwason of Kirayan National High School.
Congratulations, Tribo Kabukwason. Request of members. Ato ko muna sa tunga. 12 members, mapapicture kita.
Chairman, puno mga kay Agnes Tabacote.
Treasurer,
Happy Binabaton kidaton ang desisyon ka mga champion sa Lakayan Festival 2025 Tribal Dance Drama Competition. Champion goes to Tribo Salagyawan.
And additional 10,000 pesos. Also additional $100 US.
Plus $100. Halin sakay. Monteclaro Labis Family.
Tribo Salagawan of Mariano Fermata Memorial National High School Chairman
Hoy, dosi, hindi mo na magalin.
Eduardo Mocreg Jr.
Treasurer, Pulong Barangay Carlo Francisco Polmo.
Auditor Pulong Barangay John Melvin Arno Malumon.
Choreographer, Errol J. Villalobos.
Tribe Manager L. Dr. Elma Santasera.
Catchment Barangays Agiawan.
Bantanan.
Bariri.
Humay.
Tanagan.
Imbaga.
Tambor.
Tumbapo.
Isalan.
La Resolution.
Ikoreo Bariri.
Igbiba.
Sarin.
Kabalaunan.
Tig Malaban.
Sakpa.
Tig Amaga.
Putpot.
And Kubay Obos.
And this year's
Salamat Tribal Dance Drama Competition Champion is Tribo
Okay, picture.
Salagyawan.
Thank you, Sheena, for helping me.
Congratulations!
Mamalay ka, ang nakaroon siya.
Tribo Salagyawan of Alejandro Bermesa.
Okay.
Memorial Charge of next year.
Fireworks display. Lights off. Countdown.
Pa-countdown kita! Kay mga fireworks this
Hindi mo na magalin. I-ready ang mga cellphone.